right now? Go play. So you can get super tilted. I hate you. I really. It's not because this is a new account. I was just kidding.
We're not very close.
Ooh, sorry. Wow. I'm gonna burp a lot. Where's... Sorry. Speaking in the other language. But then I catch it right away, so then I just say a word like really weird. Circle as soon as I saw it. I love Red Dead Redemption 2. And then I forgot the info to my main account. And I tried doing like the email. Happy birthday, dude! Enjoy. Sorry. How are you? That was pretty. I think a lot of people are shaving their heads now though. I dig it. Sorry, wow. I'm gross. Someone else and then someone else. Yeah, cause they have an extra player. Just click the link. Okay. That is such a 10. Oh. Sorry. Anyway.